Are you struggling to edit videos that actually look professional in Premiere Elements 2025? Are you tired of getting stuck, clicking around, getting nowhere with your projects? Hi, I'm George, and I've helped thousands of students unlock their full creative potential with video editing. And now I'm proud to introduce my all-new Premiere Elements 2025 Complete Training course. Whether you're a total beginner or want to sharpen your editing skills, this course will guide you step by step through everything you need to know. With this exclusive video training, you'll learn how to easily trim and split clips like a pro, add cinematic transitions and motion effects, fix bad audio and color in seconds, create stunning titles and animation, and export your project in the right formats every time. And don't just take my word for it. Here are some user comments from my previous training. I finally understand video editing after years of confusion. George makes it so easy to follow and fun to learn. I edited my first YouTube video the same day I started the course. With my training, you get over 130 easy-to-follow lessons with clear explanations, screen demonstrations, and downloadable files that you can practice with. You can watch the videos anytime from any device and at your own pace. This is a complete roadmap made for everyday users like you, where I cover everything in Premiere Elements 2025. We take a look at everything in the menus up here. We look at everything over here, including adding in titles and shapes, all the different templates, how to add in music, how to add in graphics. Over on the right-hand side, we take a look at all of the different effects that are available, and there are loads and loads of effects available in here. And I demonstrate all of this for you. I show you how to come in and add in cinematic style transitions, and also all of the different audio tools that are available in here to edit your sound and make it perfect. Now, if you've been meaning to finally learn Premiere Elements the right way, this is your chance. Stop wasting time guessing and start creating videos that you're proud of. Just follow the link below to gain instant access. And right now, for this week only, I have this training available at 25% off. That's because I've uploaded half of the course last weekend. I'm uploading the second half of the course this next weekend. So right now, the price is at $29.87, and on Monday, the price goes back up to $39.87. So now's your chance to get this program at 25% off, and again, just for a few days here until the whole program has been uploaded. The first half is available right now, and second half will be up there by the end of the weekend.